Hello WordPress nerds. So in this video we are going to talk about correct way to add strings in your plugins or themes. So before jumping into the code, let me show you what I'm going to do is, so this is my custom plugin I have created. So I'm going to show you adding string in this custom plugin, and if you don't know how to create custom plugin, then link is into the description section. And if you watch my previous video, all demonstration I am doing in this plugin only. So that's that. So in this plugin I have created this custom menu and I have added some strings, for example field 1, books, BWP settings. These are string written in the plugin file. So I'm gonna show you how we can add strings in the plugin or theme using WordPress way. So for that we have to use this function called _e, which accepts two arguments. One is the actual text and another one is the domain. Now what is the domain? Domain is an unique identifier of the string. For example, domain needs to be based on your plugin name or theme name so that WordPress knows that the string is coming from this plugin or that theme. So let me open my custom plugin. So this is my local WordPress repo, and inside the WP content plugins, my plugin admin.php. So in this admin.php, if you can see, I have written BWP setting directly inside the HTML, but this is not the correct way. So let me make something _e, and first argument is our actual string. So I'm gonna cut this string and domain. So what domain we need to add? So let's define a domain for our plugin. So it is really simple. Open your plugin's main file and into the plugins documentation add this line text domain, and you can give it whatever you want. So I'm gonna give it BuntyWP. It should be unique, it should not be the duplicate of other plugins. So I give the text domain BuntyWP, so I can add that text domain over here as an identifier. So always make sure text domain should be first defined into the main file and then it should be used everywhere. So now let's try to refresh this page. So it is not going to change any output, but this is the correct way, and the main reason is to do is for the translation purpose. So in case if you want to translate this string, so if you add the string inside this function, then it can be translated by WordPress. We will see how to translate string into another video, but in this video I'm just gonna share what is the correct way to add strings. So it's just simple _e bwp, your actual string and text domain. Text domain is the important thing. So similarly, let's see for the field 1. So So here I did not provide text domain, so I'm gonna change it to text domain for this string as well. Then for the field one, these other functions we will see in our next video. So this is first underscore e. So when we do this, we don't need to echo the string. Now let's see the another function, which is double underscore, which accepts the same argument, but when we do this, we have to do echo. But let me show you before adding echo. So if we refresh this, as you can see, string is not displaying right now. So now let's echo this. Now string is displaying. So the only difference between underscore and underscore e is, for underscore e we don't need to echo, but for double underscore function we need to echo. So this is the correct way to add strings inside your plugins and themes. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video, guys.